pop it in the fridge. Let's get into the cooking. Right onto the pan.
Dance with me under the diamonds. See me like breath in the cold. Sleep with me here in the silence.
Alright guys, welcome back. And
kiss
today
me
we're going to be
silver.
cooking some Suon Nuong style beef. Now Suon Nuong basically uses pork ribs, which are grilled over an open flame. However, I don't have an open flame and I don't have pork ribs, so we're just going to be substituting it with beef on a grill today, or I mean stove. So the ingredients are really basic. First we got regular sugar, and followed by some canola oil, chilies, garlic or minced garlic, soy sauce. This one's really important for the base flavor, fish sauce, and some spring onions, and finally, probably the most important, lemongrass. So the ingredient list is really simple for this one, but the taste is really complex. So if that sounds interesting, let's get into the cooking. Okay, so right before we get into the cooking, actually, I'm going to tell you guys about the beef. So that ingredient list I just mentioned is basically a marinade, and by combining that, you're supposed to marinate your beef or pork or whatever you want to use. And basically, I marinated this overnight, and you guys will see a clip of me doing this last night. So yeah, just follow those steps. Okay, so it's the previous night, and before I begin, what I like to do is I like to take a steel bowl or something like this and then line it with just a bit of plastic wrap, or I mean a plastic bag, because then it's just gonna lock in all the flavor and it's gonna be easier to mix it. You guys will see in a bit. So yeah, let's get into the marination process. So first we're gonna begin with the some spring onions, maybe just like one stalk is enough. Lemongrass, a bit of garlic, a little less than a tablespoon of sugar, 2 tablespoons of soy sauce, I messed up, never mind, 1 tablespoon. Okay, I think that's fine. 1 tablespoon of fish sauce, 2 tablespoons of regular oil. Then after that, the meat. Almost forgot one of the most important things, chili. Now I don't have chili, so I'm just going to be using chili flakes, but yeah, cannot forget this. Now this is just up to you guys, you know, however much you guys want. I like to keep it a bit on the spicy side. Loosely just seal it a bit and then mix it around. This is where using a plastic bag becomes good, because you can just mix it around without getting your hands dirty or anything. Make sure to get all that air out so the flavor can really lock itself in. Finally, just seal it up. Okay, now that is looking really airtight. So we're just gonna take this, pop it in the fridge, and leave it overnight, and it's that easy. I really recommend you guys use a plastic bag next time you guys marinate anything. So yeah, let's get back to tomorrow, or right now for you guys. Okay, we are back, and now we can get started right onto the cooking. So our bag, which has sat overnight, and the beef, which has accumulated the flavor, goes right onto the pan, just like that. Look at that, almost nothing left. So, just spread it out a bit. Already you can start to smell the fish sauce and also the lemongrass. As it heats up, the aroma is really starting to come out. So we're just going to let that cook for a bit, flip it, and then I'll show you guys how it goes. Okay, so our beef is starting to look really good and cooked. So now we're actually just going to turn up the heat pretty high, maybe medium to high, to simulate the charred grilled texture. So let's go. There we go, that looks pretty good. So now we're just going to let each side crust up for a couple seconds and then just flip it over. Then we'll be ready to eat it. Okay, our beef is starting to look really good and charred, so let's just take it off the heat and serve it. Oh yeah, look at that. Just like that, we have our Suon Nuong flavored beef ready to go. So let's try tasting it. Okay, so now we're just going to try taste testing it. So here we go. And I added some tomatoes for garnish. I think it'll go pretty good. If you guys have some cucumber, that also works. So, you can really taste the caramelization from the sugar. And also the fish sauce is adding kind of like a tanginess to it. So that caramelized tanginess is really tasty. Also, you can really taste the powerful lemongrass base, which is, it leaves a really good aftertaste. So lemongrass is definitely essential. And I also taste some of the chili. I added quite a lot of chili, but unfortunately, when it's heated up, the taste isn't as intense. So I recommend, if you guys like spicy things, adding more than you guys normally would. Okay guys, so that was the Suon Nuong style beef. It's a really easy recipe, only a couple ingredients. And if you guys are looking for something to eat at home that's easy to make, I really recommend this. But that's it for this week's vlog. Thanks for watching, and leave your comments and anything down below. Leave some ratings, likes, and subscribe if you want to see some more. Alright, catch you guys in the next vlog. See ya.